At Ram trucks these days, it feels like it's all V8s all the time, and you know what? We ain't mad about it because it means the return of this beast. This is the new 2027 Ram TRX SRT. That's right, it's the return of the supercharged Hellcat-powered 777 horsepower king of the off-road trucks, and I got to fly one today. I'm Bragman, Detroit Bureau Chief for Cars.com, and I loves me some great big V8 pick-em-up truck, and this one might just be the best one that Ram's ever made. You remember the TRX, of course. It is Ram's answer to Ford's F-150 Raptor R. And this truck is really meant for high-speed maneuvering over scrub instead of slow-speed rock crawling. Well, they replaced the TRX with the RHO a couple of years ago when they killed the Hemi V-8 engine. And we like the six-cylinder RHO a lot. It's less expensive, it still does everything the TRX does, but fans missed that V8 Hellcat scream. And so the TRX is back for 2027, and it is once again the most powerful off-road production pickup truck in the world. So what makes this thing different from the lesser RHO? This is the glorious, supercharged 6.2-liter Hellcat Hemi V-8 engine, and it is now more powerful than the last TRX. It now makes 777 horsepower and 680 pounds-feet of torque, both increases over the last TRX. Other special equipment includes second-generation Bilstein Blackhawk E-squared high-performance shocks, these 35-inch tires, active performance damping, 13 inches of front suspension travel, 14 inches of axle travel out back, a Dana 60 rear axle with full floating axle shafts, and a rear e-locking differential. There is so much equipment that they've put on the new Ram TRX that it would take us the entire video just to list all of it. I frankly think it's a better idea to just show you what it does. It can do that. High-speed off-roading is what this thing is made for. And here at a dedicated motocross course in Southwest Michigan, you get to see how it all comes together. This thing is made to do this, and they can do it all day long. High-speed jumps, elevated off-road speeds, and all of it done in complete confidence and control. The lack of drama when you jump this thing or when you take it over rough terrain at high speed is truly impressive. The thing is just calm and easy to drive and makes everything just seem simple to do. Flat out approaching a jump, you get a real pucker moment, but as soon as you land, you realize, oh, that really wasn't a big deal at all. It makes you feel like a better driver off-road than you probably actually are. But as much as this thing is a beast off-road, on-road, it's actually incredibly civil. Yeah, you've got a screaming 777 horsepower Hellcat engine under the hood, but the Baja off-road suspension and the super large tires makes for a super smooth, comfortable ride, but it's not pillowy, it's not wallowy. It doesn't feel like you're driving a Baja racing truck. It feels like you're driving a normal pickup truck that's very well controlled. There's no floaty, weird motions to the body at all. It's just super comfortable, especially over roads that are, let's say, a little bit Midwest imperfect. It's totally civil, totally livable. You could drive one of these things every day and be perfectly happy with it. And the interior that they've given you in here is also fantastic. They say this is part of their sport line of trucks, but honestly, all the appointments in here, this is one of their luxury trucks for sure. You've got stitched leather on everything, including now the airbag cover. You've got a full suede headliner. You've got suede on the backs of the front seats, along with straps that you could put accessories in the back seats as well. But overall, the thing is just really, really well done. It's comfortable, it's smooth, it's quiet, until you put your foot into it, and then you get the scream. That Hellcat scream, which is just intoxicating. Yeah, they've done a really fantastic job with the interior, with the truck, with how it drives, with how it goes off-road. The thing is dynamite, and it had better be dynamite given how much it costs. And that's because it costs over $100,000. Over $102,000 to be specific, and that includes a whopping $2,795 destination fee to get it to your local dealership from suburban Detroit. And at that price, it had better get all of the major and minor details right, and I'm happy to say that it really does. It's easily as much fun as a Ford F-150 Raptor R, and it has an interior that puts the Ford to shame. Now, you want one? You better get down to your Ram dealer quickly, because these are going to go on sale very, very soon. And if you like videos like this one of big off-road pickups jumping over stuff, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.